Hey guys, Anthony, 4x4 Adventures, day 7 at Lorella Springs. We're out at the ocean camp. We're having a bit of a flick with some lures. It is a bit shallow out there and there's some weed out there. Sorry about the wind, you get that. There is a breeze, probably 10 k's coming from behind me. Let's do a quick 360. Blocking a boat out there. Bit of sun over there, sorry about that. Just give you a bit of an idea of the terrain out here on the point. Lots of little inlets like that go in and out. Tide's out at the moment, coming back in. Let's see what else we come across today, hey? All right, well, we didn't achieve much for today. It was a pretty relaxing day. We got the campfire started. We've emptied out half the Engle and the Hilux. All the empty bowls are in the bag and whatever. You got to do that every now and then. And what do we got over here? Oh, it looks like dinner. Look at that. We can do a cooking show, 4x4 Adventures cooking. What do we got in here? We've got, what did I cut up? I've forgotten already. I had 3 carrots left, 2 small red capsicums, 2 onions, and a pack of chipolatas. And that's enough for 3 of us, isn't it, Mitch? Got that right? Yeah, yeah. What do you got in here, mate? Is that the leftover lemon and lime from your gin? Yeah. That was a kid's gin, yeah? Yeah. Special. Yeah, that's it. Gin in it. Yeah, heaps of gin. You are going off, aren't you? Yeah, do you see my drink off? Is that your first gin? Yeah. You're out of control, mate. It's my third. It's my third. No more gin for you. You've been on the gins all afternoon, mate. Anyway, there you go. And unfortunately, that's all that happens down at the beach camp. Apparently, a bit of fishing, catching no fish, a bit of drinking, a bit of eating. And I tell you what, we've had some stories and some good times this afternoon relaxing. Look at that, mate. Look at this. Is that making you hungry? It's making me hungry. Mate, you know, that's what these four-wheel drive adventure, four-wheel drive channels do. They do all these cooking things, but all they do is they pour in cans of slop, mate. We can pour in a can of baked beans, a can of tomatoes, a can of this, a can of that. Or we can put fresh ingredients because that's what our fridges have been. Hey, you just chucked that onion out on the floor, mate. What's going on there? Don't put that back in. No, dirt. What are you doing, mate? It's hot. Anyway, go easy with the stirring. What's those chopsticks, mate? They're out of control. Hey, did you just take that out? It's got dirt in it, mate. Do not put the dirty onion back in the cooking, mate. Anyway, you can see where that sort of stuff, that can probably go on a campfire or something like that. Look at these chipolatas, huh? Beautiful. Unbelievable. Anyway, as you can see, we didn't get up to much. What was this day? I've forgotten what day it is. This day 7? Day 7? Day 7? Was it? Did you catch any fish? No. Did you see any fish? Yeah. What colour were they? Like that shirt? No. Okay, what colour were they? What fish did you have? Did you get a follow? Did you get a hit? Yeah, I had hits. Did you lose a lure? Yeah. Yeah. It was like, sounds like a crazy day. We'll leave it at that. We won't say yellow and grey. We won't say how you lost it or whatever. Sounds pretty like there was a bit of action. All right, so we'll call it a day, guys. Oops, sorry about day 7. Hopefully day 8's better. Here we are over here, the 4x4 Adventures vehicle at the 4x4 Adventures K-On Kitchen. They just did all the chopping and we've already done all the cleaning up. We've got the campfire there. We've got the 4x4 Adventures. Looks like someone's had too much to drink. He's not walking too straight, but anyway. And there's the crash pad. And we're out of here. Subscribe if you like that one. Turn the bell on and smash the like button and we'll catch you on the next one. Hopefully, look at this though. Look at this. There's a bit of this. I think someone's burning off, you know. Too many campfires because there's certainly no rain cloud happening up around here. And the sunset's happening over there. Bada bing, and it's a bada boom. Yep, all that campfire wood, that's all got to go tonight. So wish you were here. See ya. Have a look. What's going on? What? How can 5 people? Can I see that back? What is going on in a day? And there's a whole bag full of cans there. What a absolute disgrace, to be quite honest. Did you enjoy those? Unbelievable. And that's why you carry a rear bin bag. Look at this. Absolutely ridiculous effort. And what a waste of a day. And this stuff is completely bad for you. It's also very heavy. It's an environmental catastrophe, and I completely don't like it. I do not buy alcohol, and I don't condone it. Everybody should get off the alcohol, okay? And we're done and dusted. Catch you on the next one. See ya.